Did you know that over 60% of people are dissatisfied with their teeth? Crazy, right? And here's a fun fact. Only about 10% of people have naturally white teeth. If you've ever looked in the mirror and felt a little let down by your smile, stick around because today, we're diving into how you can achieve those perfect white teeth right at home. Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about something that affects so many of us: how to get perfect white teeth without breaking the bank or spending hours at the dentist. Dental health isn't just about keeping cavities at bay, it's also about feeling confident in your smile. So, let's explore how you can brighten your pearly whites from the comfort of your home. Alright, let's get real for a second. We all know that life can be hectic, and sometimes, taking care of our teeth gets pushed to the back burner. Whether it's that morning coffee, red wine, or just a love for all things delicious, our teeth can take a hit with stubborn stains. And let's not even get started on the time and money spent on fancy dental treatments. It can feel like an uphill battle to maintain that bright smile. But don't sweat it, you're definitely not alone in this. Now, let's talk about some super simple and practical tips you can incorporate into your daily routine to keep your teeth looking fresh and white. Don't worry, here's the solution. Do you know? This mineral in your mouth to rebuild your gums and teeth. It may sound odd, but it is scientifically proven. According to a Harvard scientist, swallowing these newly discovered bacteria is all you need to do to fix all your dental issues, from gum bleeding and teeth rotting to bad breath and cavities. These amazingly efficient bacteria work by reconstructing your enamel, the outer layer of your teeth, making them 20x stronger than a normal tooth. Like a titanium shield against cavities, root infection and enamel erosion. Some say their teeth are now stronger than a dental implant. Who would have thought that a candy could save anyone struggling with tooth decay and inflamed gums? This natural, soft candy has stunned both scientists and people all around the world. Simply let it melt in your mouth, after brushing your teeth, to get rid of cavities almost overnight. It will not only restore your teeth, but also rebuild your gums and eliminate bad breath. See here the amazing results of 34,788 people who have already tried this. Check out the link in the description, and in only 10 seconds you will find out if your teeth have aged prematurely and whether you risk losing them in the next 2 years. Find the test in the description and what you can do to rejuvenate your teeth and gums. Click link in the description to do the test in the next 10 seconds.